If your Shopify products are not showing up on the collections page, here's how to fix the issue. Check collection conditions. Ensure your collection is set up with the right conditions. In the Shopify admin, go to Products, Collections and check if the conditions are correctly defined. For automated collections, make sure the conditions match the products you want to display. Ensure products are tagged. If you're using automated collections with tags, make sure your products are tagged correctly. Go to Products, All Products, select the product and check if the tags match the conditions in your collection. Verify product availability. Ensure your products are available to the online store. In the product settings, go to Product Availability and check if the product is listed for the online store channel. Check inventory. Make sure the products are in stock and not marked as out of stock or unpublished. A product that is out of stock or unpublished won't show up on the collection page. Clear cache and refresh. Sometimes, browser cache or temporary glitches might cause issues. Clear your browser cache or try viewing the page in incognito mode to see if the products appear. Theme or customization. Ensure that the theme code or liquid templates are not affecting how collections are displayed. Check with your theme settings or developer if needed.